Welcome to the world of investing. If you've been thinking about growing your wealth but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down stock market basics for beginners in a way that's simple and easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your first investment and take the first steps toward building your financial future. First, let's talk about what a stock is. Simply put, a stock is a share in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially owning a small part of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stock may go up, and you can make money by selling it. But remember, investing comes with risks. Stocks can also lose value if the company struggles. The key is to think long-term and focus on building a diverse portfolio to reduce risk. Next, where do you start? The easiest way is through a brokerage app like Robinhood, eTrade, or Fidelity. I personally use an app called Moomoo. There's no secret reason, it's just because I like the interface a lot better for my style of trading. All of these platforms make it super easy to buy and sell stocks, even if you're a complete beginner. Once you've signed up, start by researching companies you believe in. Look for stable, well-established companies with a history of growth. These are called blue-chip stocks. Another great beginner strategy is investing in index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are collections of stocks that track the overall market, giving you instant diversification. They're a fantastic option if you don't want to spend hours picking individual stocks. Pro tip: focus on keeping your fees low. Every penny saved in fees is more money invested in your future. Let's talk about a golden rule of investing. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. While investing can lead to significant gains, there's always some risk involved. Start small, put in what you're comfortable with, and as you learn more, you can increase your investments. Also, make it a habit to reinvest any dividends you earn. Over time, this creates the magic of compounding, where your money grows faster and faster. Finally, stay patient and think long-term. The stock market has ups and downs, but historically, it trends upward over time. Don't panic during market dips. They're often the best opportunities to buy. And remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time, keep learning, and watch your money grow. So, are you ready to start investing? Let us know in the comments what your first investment will be, or share your favorite investing tip. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more beginner-friendly financial tips. See you in the next video.